time I'm here, I upgrade already. Yeah. So what you want to do today? Hi, we have soju twins today coming to cut botak.
Can. It's a challenge.
Yeah. So we want to cut botak today.
Do it for the vlog.
Yes. So I upgrade already.
Nice.
I'm more using my lousy phone to vlog.
Oh. Hey guys.
It's a trademark. The highlight is the Parisian brown is the trademark for you both to know now. Even L'Oreal also know. It's my Parisian brown model. So I can cut short a bit lah, but I want to change. No lah, not big change lah. I want to recolor your face. I make it more red a bit. More red a bit because now it faded, turn to copper already. So I make it more red. Okay.
Five hours later.
This is not nice one.
Okay. The jacket, biker jacket. One, two, and three. Okay, your hair is done. You can go already. I finished restyle your hair already.
A few moments later. Okay, so now I teach you guys how to style soju twins curl. Okay, normally if you watch their vlog, then you see their hair have some what do you call it? Curl like that. Okay. Yes. So now I teach you how to do it. The tutorial for the soju twins curl. Okay. First, you must have soju. So at the bottom area, we just cut it like usual because the main point, the tips is on the side. Just like you roll up like 3 times, roll up, cut. Okay, so the second section still continue. We just roll up with 3 rows. Okay, so on the side section, the first section, I will wind it the curl direction in front. So the upper layer, the upper section, I wind to behind. Make it like have a cross. So the result come out, your hair will have some wave.
So this is how Soju twins taking a picture. Okay, guys. So this is our ending here until. So this is how Soju twins are doing their hair touch up and the maintenance of their hair every month. Like every 2 months, they will come over here and then okay. So remember, if you want to know more about Soju twins, you can follow their Instagram, Suen and Joanne, and then their YouTube channel also. Okay.
Soju twins. Remember to like and subscribe.
Okay. Bye bye.